Hi friends, welcome to my video number 18 and subject is case study accounting of small business with opening balances. In my earlier video number 16, I have taken the same subject without opening balance. Now we have opening balance. I have prepared this one sheet where structure is same. In type I have written OP bal, date I put first day of the year, all the account heads I put here. In receipt side, all the credit balances is shown, and on payment side, all the uh, debit side opening balances are shown. And I have loaded this data and I gave name of the query as TB books. We have account master, cash book, and bank book. Now we need to prepare day book. So how to prepare day book, that we'll see. For day book, I will select data, get data, combine queries, append. Since we have more than two queries, we'll select three or more tables. First table, trial balance, I'll add, then cash book, add, then bank book, add, say OK. My day book structure is ready. I'll remove these closing balances. In receipt and payment, I will convert null value into 0. So I'll select replace value, null, replace with 0. Okay. All the account head I convert into proper format, capitalize each word. My day book is ready. Before that, I will sort the data. I will remove all null values. I will close and load. My day book is ready. Before, I'll give query name as daybook. Now we'll prepare trial balance. For just to prepare a trial balance, we need daybook. So I'll use daybook as a reference. Now I will use add column and conditional column. My first column will be opening debit OP bal. Column name type equal to OP bal. Then my output will be select comma column and payment will be my output, otherwise 0. So my opening debit balance is ready. Now I need opening credit balance. For that I'll use add column, conditional column. My column name will be credit opening balance. Column name, if column name type equal to OP bal, then select a column and I'll select receipt, otherwise 0. Okay, my opening credit balance is ready. Now if I subtract opening debit balance from payment, I'll get all the transaction which are incurred during the current period. So I'll select payment and then opening debit balance and I'll reduce. So debit transaction trans. Same way, from receipt, I'll reduce credit opening balance and I will use this subtract credit trans. Now I don't want this receipt and payment. I'll remove. Now we'll prepare a trial balance. For that, I'll select account head as for a Sumif transform and I'll use group by account head. I'll use advanced my new column name opening debit sum. Here I'll select debit opening balance, add aggregation, opening credit, sum, credit opening balance, add debit transactions, sum, debit transaction, add credit sum, credit transaction, and OK. My trial balance is ready. Now I need closing balance. For that I'll use add column, custom column, and my column name will be net debit and my formula will be simple. I will select opening debit plus debit transaction minus opening credit minus credit transaction. Okay. Now we will use home merge query and we'll select account master as our query. I'll select account head from Debug and account head from account master. I'll select left outer join. I will click here and I'll select only serial number. I will sort the data in ascending form. I will shift this here and I'll give the name as serial number. My trial balance is ready. I will close and load. We'll check the total. It's tally. So this is the way you can prepare uh, trial balance and maintain account using Power Query. I hope you like this video and in case you have any problem or any suggestion, kindly mail to me and my email ID is ask to CA Satish at gmail.com. Thank you for watching and I wish you happy learning.